So to get this cover off, you just take these screws out here and here. It just hinges out like that. Really easy. See, to put it in. Just put the screws back in. Larger front cover off, you just take off these two screws here and here inside the hatch. That's 5/16 or 8mm socket there. Now with both covers off, I can just fish the wires through here. So if you look at how this top is hinged, I just route my wires right along with these other wires going to the instruments. So I've got a piece of it's foam rubber, but you can imagine just using something like a garden hose, something that's got a little bit of stiffness, to use as a fish tape. Since the intake duct is huge, it doesn't have to be like an actual little fish tape. Let me see if I can find that on the inside now. There, I can see it up in there. Let me see if I can reach in there and get that. Alright. All I got to do is tie my wires to that and pull it back up through to the instrument panel. I've got my transducer wire and power wire tied into my fish tape, and I did have to extend my power wire about 4 feet, so here I've got an extension soldered on, and I made a couple of ends to go with it soldered on there to fuel focus to attach to the battery terminals. And there's the inline fuse that came with the unit. Alright, let me see if this so these wires will pull through here now. There they are. There are the wires tied in, following these existing wires. They come up underneath here and just route. I'm routing them up around the back of this piece, and they'll plug into the unit. Detail when I'm putting in these self-tapping screws in plastic, I like to turn them backwards until I feel it pop into the original thread cut. That way you're not cutting new threads every time and wallowing out the hole.